Here's a pair of Sony headphones, model number WH-CH520. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone or an iPad. Okay. So first thing is grab your iPhone or iPad. You want to go to your Bluetooth settings. Let's go to settings. My settings is right here. And then from here, I'm going to tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Okay. Now, if we scroll down where it says other devices, now down here is the devices that are in pairing mode that's near me. Okay. We can see the CH520 here because this is in pairing mode. Okay. Let me go ahead and turn these off first. Let me hold for a few seconds and I'm going to let go. Okay, so it's currently off here now. Let me turn the Bluetooth off and I'm gonna turn it back on. Okay, and now we're not gonna see it here, okay, because these are currently off. Okay, so now we gotta put this in a pairing mode. We'll know that this is in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, 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 okay? There's only 3 buttons here, okay? You have volume up, you have the power, and you have the volume down here. Okay, so they're currently off. So what I want to do is press and hold this power button. Just keep on holding until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so power button here, press and hold, ready, set, go. Press and hold and just keep on holding. Just holding here. Blue, 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 blue. It's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go down here and we found it again. WH-CH520. If it doesn't show up here when you're in pairing mode, just go back up here. Just turn the Bluetooth off. Turn it back on and then see if it finds it again. Let's see, I'm still in the pairing mode here. It's blinking blue, blue. Oh, there it is. WH-CH520. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. And now you can see that we're connected. And you're connected. Of course, you can increase and decrease volume as well, as you can see. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't pair it or you couldn't connect to your phone, you can always reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below, right?